Hey there, kiddos! Let's learn colors with the Monster Truck school buses. Yellow, red, green, blue, orange, purple, pink, brown, black, gray, white, thanks for helping us learn colors, Monster Truck school buses. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Hey there, kiddos! Ready to have some fun? Let's count to 10 with the monster fire trucks. 1. Wow! 2. Oh my goodness! 3. Look at him jump! 4. Incredible! 5. That's crazy! 6. Fantastic! 7. Stupendous! 8. Totally radical! 9. Whee! 10. Woohoo! Boy, that was fun. Let's count again. 1. Off you go. 2. Goodbye. 3. See ya. 4. Toodaloo. 5. Bye-bye. 6. Ta-ta. 7. Ciao. 8. Adios. 9. Cheerio. 10. Catch Catch you later! That was awesome! Let's count together one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10! Hooray! Good job, kiddos! Counting to 10 is barrels of fun. Okay, gotta go. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Monster truck shapes. Circle. Oval. Square. Rectangle. Triangle. Diamond. Pentagon. Octagon. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Hey there, kiddos! Let's count to 10. Wow! It's an EXX Atomic Rider 2.0! What an awesome car! Let's take the car apart and then put it back together again. I wonder how many parts there are. Let's count them. Are you ready? Let's count. 1, 2. Are you counting with me? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was awesome! Good job, kiddos! Let's count all the parts together one more time. Are you ready to count again? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3. Keep counting. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hooray! Great job, kiddos! Counting to 10 is tons of fun. Okay, gotta go. Thanks for counting with me. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Hey there, kiddos! Let's learn our ABCs with the Monster Truck Alphabet School Bus. Say the letters with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, that was awesome! Great job, kiddos! Bye-bye! See you next time!
Monster truck numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 'Bye-bye. See you next time.
Hey there, kiddos! Ready to have some fun? Let's count to 10 with the Monster Rubber Duck Trucks. 1. Wow! 2. Oh my goodness! 3. Look at him jump! 4. Incredible! 5. That's crazy! 6. Fantastic! 7. Stupendous! 8. Totally radical! 9. Whee! 10. Woohoo! That was awesome! Okay, gotta go. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Monster truck colors. Red, Yellow. Blue. Orange. Purple. Pink. Brown. Black. Gray. White. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Let's learn colors. Red. The alphabet fire trucks. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Fire in the hole! 8,